I get questions from parents in relation to children who have ADHD, or they're on the autistic spectrum, or they have sensory processing issues or other behavioral disorders, because we're focusing on ensuring the nervous system is functioning and communicating to all aspects of the body like it's supposed to. So what we're able to do is, with no popping, no twisting, no cracking, we're able to get into the body of the child, helping their nervous system regulate and connect and have harmony, so that way they can have more ease. They're not overreacting to things. They feel more in tune with their bodies. So we'll have the parents reporting that the teachers at school are saying, oh my gosh, Johnny's being able to sit still longer, and he doesn't seem to be needing to like whip himself all over the place, or that he's nicer, or that he's able to process and actually have focus on his work, or whatever it might be. So this goes across the board with helping the brain be able to have more clarity, function, less fog, and then allowing the actual functions of the body to be better too, which can also include helping them with digestive disorders as well.